Inserting a table. To insert a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the MS Word and click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Table command in the Tables group. Step 3. Move the mouse over the squares to select columns and rows for the table. When you move the mouse over the squares, a sample table is visible in the document. Click on the square up to which you want to create the table. The table will be inserted in the document. To insert a table using Insert Table command with more number of rows and columns, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Table command in the Tables group. Step 3. Click on the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Step 4. Enter the required number of columns and rows you want to insert. Step 5. Click on OK button. The table will be inserted. Entering data in a table. After inserting a table, next step is to enter the data into it. To enter the data into a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the cell of the table in which you want to enter the data. Step 2. Type the required data in the cell. In this case, we have typed class. Step 3. Press the Tab key from the keyboard to go to the next cell. Enter the data in all the cells of the table. Class, hockey, cricket, basketball, football, badminton. 5, 4, 18, 10, 7, 11, 6, 7, 11, 12, 5, 19, 7, 13, 8, 2, 16, 8. Entering data into a table. Selecting cells, rows, columns and table. MS Word 2010 gives you choice to select a single cell, a group of cells, entire row, entire column and entire table. To select a single cell, move the mouse pointer towards the left edge of the cell. The pointer will become a black right-pointing arrow. Click to select the cell. To select a group of cells, click in any of the corner cells to be selected and without releasing the mouse button, drag to select more than one cells. Release the mouse button when all the required cells have been selected. To select an entire row, move the mouse pointer outside the left edge of the first cell in the row. The pointer will become a white right-pointing arrow. Click to select the entire row. To select an entire column, move the mouse pointer outside the top edge of the first cell in the column. The pointer will become a black down-pointing arrow. Click to select the entire column. To select an entire table, move the mouse pointer over the table. A table move handle will appear on the top left corner of the table. Click on the table move handle to select the entire table. Adding and deleting rows. To add more rows to the table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the row of the table where you want to add another row. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Choose Insert Above or Insert Below command. A blank row will be added at the required place in the existing table. To delete rows from a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the row which you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Delete command. Step 4. From the drop-down list, choose Delete Rows option. The selected row will be deleted from the table. Adding and deleting columns. To add more columns to the table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the row of the table where you want to add another row. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Choose Insert Right or Insert Left command. A blank column will be added at the required place in the existing table. To delete columns from a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the column which you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Delete command. Step 4. From the drop-down list, choose Delete Columns option. The selected column will be deleted from the existing table. Changing column width and row height. You can adjust column width and row height in a table. To change the column width and row height, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the column or row whose width or height you want to change. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Specify the column width or row height in the Table Column Width or Table Row Height spin box under the Cell Size group. Step 4. To make the column in a table automatically fit the contents, click anywhere in your table. Step 5. Click on the Auto Fit command and then select the Auto Fit Contents option under the Layout tab. Merging cells. Merging refers to combine two or more cells in the same row or same column into a single cell. To merge two or more cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells to be merged. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Merge Cells command. The selected cells are merged as one cell. Splitting cells. Splitting refers to dividing one cell into two or more cells. To split a cell, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell to be split. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Split Cells command. The Split Cells dialog box will open. Step 4. Enter the number of rows and columns you want to split your cells into. Step 5. Click on the OK button. The selected cell will split in the entered number of rows and columns. Moving and resizing tables. Moving a table means to change the position of the table from one place to another. Resizing a table means to increase and decrease the size of the table. To move a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the table. Move the mouse pointer over the table. The Move Table handle will appear on the top left corner of the table. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer over the Move Table handle. The mouse pointer converts to plus sign. Step 3. Click and drag the table to the left, right, top or bottom and release the mouse button. To resize a table. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the table. The table resize handle will appear at the bottom right corner of the table. Move the mouse pointer over the table resize handle. Mouse pointer converts to two-headed cross arrow. Step 2. Click and drag the mouse diagonally and release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Border and shading. Border and shading enhance the look and feel of the table. Let's learn how to apply border and shading to cells, rows, columns or entire table. Applying borders. You can easily apply border to cells, rows, columns or entire table. To apply border, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the desired cells, rows or columns on which you want to apply the border. Step 2. Click on the Borders command under the Borders group of the Design tab. Step 3. Select a type of border from the list. Step 4. If you want to change the style of border, Click on Borders and Shading to open Borders and Shading dialog box. Step 5. From the Borders tab of the dialog box, select a style, color and width of your border. Step 6. Click on OK button. The border style will be applied to the selected table. Applying shading. You can also add shading to some or all of the cells in the table. To apply shading on the cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells, rows or columns. Step 2. Click on the shading command from the Table Styles group of the Design tab to open a drop-down list of colors. Step 3. Click on a color from the list. The shading will be applied to the selected cells, rows or columns. Table Styles. With Table Styles feature, you can format the entire table quickly. You can apply any style to your table from the Table Styles feature. There are many inbuilt table styles present in MS Word. Perform the following steps to apply a table style. Step 1. Click anywhere on the table. The Design tab appears on the ribbon. Step 2. Click and select the design of your choice from the Table Styles group. The selected style will be applied to the table. Aligning text in table. You can align text in table by performing the following steps. Step 1. Select the cell or row or column or an entire table whose content you want to align. In this case, we have selected entire table. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the alignment of your choice from the Alignment group. In this case, we have clicked the Align Center option. The selected text will be aligned at center.